Ever wondered if you could give your Midjourney characters a brand new face? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of face swapping in Midjourney. Turning ordinary images into extraordinary character transformations is easier than you think. First, craft a detailed Midjourney prompt for your base image. Think about the character's features, the lighting, and the overall mood. The more detail, the better the final result. Next, find a high-quality image of the face you want to use. Make sure the lighting and angle are somewhat similar to the original image. Crop the face so it fits the general dimensions of the face in your Midjourney creation. Now, use a photo editing software like Photoshop or even a free online tool to blend the new face onto your Midjourney character. Pay close attention to skin tones, shadows, and highlights. Use masking tools to seamlessly integrate the new face. Fine-tune the image by adjusting brightness, contrast, and color balance to ensure the swapped face blends naturally with the rest of the image. Small tweaks can make a huge difference. And there you have it, a perfectly face-swapped Midjourney character. Experiment with different faces, styles, and prompts to create truly unique and captivating images. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Midjourney tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments what kind of face swaps you want to see. Happy creating!